This video is going to cover accounting for over-the-counter sales, which starts on 123. Read through the section there at the top, and second paragraph, where a cash register or point of sale system is in use, one-off sales transaction may be recorded in that system and receipted, and then a summary sales invoice input into Sage 50 accounting at the end of the day. It can be automated depending on the size of the business. It may be manual, but there should be a way of importing it. But you would have instructions on how to do that. So, because payment is received immediately, the bookkeeping embodies a debit to the bank account where the daily heatings will be deposited rather than a debit to accounts receivable. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So we're going to create a sales invoice, and this is going to be to Deborah Mackey. Deborah Mackey, we're just going to tab out of there, and it accepts it. Invoice number 153, because I didn't do that other invoice. The date is March 17th, and as usual, I'm going to use the picker to make it easier to see. And we don't have any order quote number or ship, so we're going to go down here, and we're going to go C103, and that's guitar cases. We're going to select that, and the quantity is 1 each. Base price $179, price $170. Oops, no discount, price $179. Tax is GP, and 4060 sales accessories. You can see it has 2-year warranty on musical instruments, and it should be 201.55. We have the luxury of having it there. And now payment method, we're going to change this to check, and the deposit field is going to go to cash for deposit. This is really, really, really important. Change your account. I've seen this happen with students before where they forget to change it. It goes into the checking account, and it gets really messing from a proper accounting standpoint, moving it around. You can do it. You can do a transaction, but it just isn't real pretty. So let's try to do it pretty. Check number is 124. And I really want to reiterate that changing it to 1020 cash for deposit is really, really critical. Okay? Otherwise, your bank account's going to be way off, and you're not going to be able to process the payment properly later. Now, we're going to display the sales journal, and it shows right here. So now the debit is in cash for deposit, and you got credits over here, and so it debits both the cash for deposit and the accessories. And then we're going to close that, and now we can post this transaction. Now it has another one there. I'm going to have you go ahead and do that, and then we'll proceed. But you go ahead and finish that, and I'm going to stop the video.